Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan. Thank you so much for watching this. This video is all about Fiverr, and it's about how to calculate an offer that you're going to send to a prospective buyer. Here we go. All right, so let's say that you're in Fiverr and you get a message from somebody that says, hey, I need you to record something for me. How much do you charge? So what you're always going to do is ask them to send you a couple different pieces of information. The first thing that you're going to need to know to be able to put together an offer for how much your product that you're selling to this particular buyer is. The offer is basically it's like your product. It's your voiceover recording. So you're going to need to know two basic things. The first thing is you're going to need to know the word count, or how many words is in the script. How many words are in the script? What a lot of times I will do is just ask them to send me the script. You can go on the word count. If it's like a Word document, you can just quickly see of the screen in the Word document. If they send me a PDF, I can always convert it to a Word document and get it that way. There's also some places you can find on the internet, like word count, .org or something like that. And you can just copy the PDF, copy all the text in the PDF, paste it on the internet, and then it'll give you that word count quickly too. So I need to know the word count, definitely. And then I also need to know how they're going to use my recording. So for example, if they're using my recording on like a television ad, internet ad, radio ad, something like that, then I'm going to need to go ahead and charge them for the full buyout rights. If it's just something like where it's like an e-learning project, other people are using it, I'm going to need to have commercial rights. Now, if they're just using it as like, their own personal use, which happens rarely, but it does happen. For example, I had like somebody contact me and they just wanted me to make a funny little thing for a family wedding. And it was just this cute little thing about like the person's life. Obviously, this is just personal use. They're not doing this to make any money whatsoever at all. And so for that, I didn't charge them anything, no commercial, no full buyout rights. So you need two things to know how to put that offer together to your prospective buyer. And that is, number one, the word count, and number two, how they're going to be using your recording. So let me just show you something that I have used for a couple years now since I've been on Fiverr, and it really helps me kind of keep me organized. In my browser, I'm using Google Chrome for my browser for this. You'll notice here up on the top, I have two different quick links to get to Fiverr and to get to my Fiverr profile. Now, to get to like my Fiverr, this is just like my dashboard. This one right here. This is just how to get to my dashboard. I can see like what orders are in my queue, things like that. This is just basic information for me. My Fiverr profile, however, is this right here. And that shows me all of my gigs that I have. So I do recommend that you make a quick, shortcut, whatever, in your toolbar, in your browser for this particular page, because that will allow you to quickly make create these offers to send to your prospective clients. And so I just go by, what their project is all about. If they just want like an internet ad, whatever, obviously that is, my bestseller, the pro female voiceover. If it's for e-learning, the price is different. So if it's for e-learning, I go here. If it's for like an IVR phone, I go here, et cetera, et cetera. So let's say it actually is for like an internet ad. Well, I'll just simply click on my internet ad gig. And then the first thing that I do is I type in the word count right over here on the right-hand side, number of words. And let's say the number of words happens to be 267 words. Okay, well, I know right there that's $75. And then what I do is, after I've determined if they need full buyout rights or commercial rights, then I just simply scroll down here, and I just simply check what they need. So for example, if typically for this gig, it's always going to be full broadcast, because it's going to be like an internet ad or something like that. So you saw that price change from 75 to $125. Now, let's say that they also need like script proofreading. Okay, that's fine. I just charged $15 for every, what is it, $15 for like every word, something like that. So there we go. That increases the price to $170. And for a lot of my clients, they're not native English speakers. They're in the Middle East, they're in India, they're in China, wherever, and they need it. They want it to sound American. And so I'm happy to provide that for them. Actually, I think it is $45 for the script proofreading. Yeah, I went ahead and upped it because people were using it so much. Anyway, what if they also want it to be timed audio synced to a video? Well, that's fine. I can totally do that. Like if they've already got the video made and they just want me to sync my voice to the particular parts of the video, hey, perfect. Okay, and that's what I would do. I would just say, okay, it's $200 and this is what it's going to include. Now, when I present the offer to the client, I'm going to go back into my dashboard. And I'm just going to go to like wherever the message is, like I'm just going to pick this guy. And I'll pick this guy. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create an offer right down here. There's a little green button, create an offer. And then I can just go back and say like, wait, what gig was it? Oh yeah, it was the pro female voiceover. And I just pick the gig that I want. So here it is. I will record an American female voiceover. This was my gig that I'm using. And I choose either single payment or milestones. The milestones is for like if you're doing like a video, if you're doing, a multi-step project. For this, it's just a single payment. So single payment. And then for my offer, I just type in record voiceover. It's like pretty simple. I don't get really a whole lot of detail into this. And then I always provide one revision. And that just means like if they change their script, I will revise it. My delivery is always 2 days. And the price, well, I can just go back and see, $200. And then I just simply go back and I see like, wait, what did that include? Oh yeah, it included script proofreading, full broadcast rights, and timed audio sync. So my words that are included are 267 words. I always include the HQ file, like it's just a high quality file. I always include that no matter what. I don't charge extra for that. I do charge script proofreading, full broadcast rights, and timed audio sync. And then I'll simply click on send offer to just, send them the offer. I'm not going to do it right now because this is a fake offer and I don't want to send them something and have them be confused. But that's all it would do. And it would look like, let me show you what it looked like. And it would look like this. So here's this particular client. I sent him an offer, I will record an English language learning voiceover for $200. It's 2-day delivery, up to 2,000 words, HQ audio file, commercial rights. And the reason why it's a little bit lower price is I had offered him a coupon, but for whatever reason, his coupon expired. And so I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and apply it. It's fine. We'll just pretend like this is what your price is right here. So anyway, so the price is a little bit lower, but that's why, just in case you were wondering. Anyway, that is how to create an offer on Fiverr. It's so simple. It's so easy. And I think what is really nice about Fiverr is it keeps everybody within the scope that they're supposed to be. So like if they come back to me and say like, yeah, but you were supposed to proofread the script. And I can say, no, that wasn't part of the offer. Look, let's look at it. We decided not to do script proofreading. So, if you want that revision or, 5 revisions or whatever, I have to charge you for it. And I hope that you're able to utilize making an offer. And I hope this, speeds up the process for you and that it helps you understand how this all works in Fiverr. So keep going. You're doing great. Proud of you. Can't wait to see you next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have a question, and can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.